There are two ways that someone can get into your WhatsApp account, and there are two ways that you can also get out of it. So if in case your WhatsApp is hacked, I'm going to show you two ways that can help you to get out of this WhatsApp hacking. And don't forget to give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos from here. Let me show you this.
So Android users, yours is on the left, and then iOS users, yours is on the right. So let me show you this. And if someone got into your WhatsApp account or hacked your WhatsApp account through the method whereby they will send you a WhatsApp code, and then you give the WhatsApp code to them, and then they get into your WhatsApp account, this first one will help you out of it. So you just have to do this. Go to your settings, okay? When you go to your settings, then you look out for your chat, okay? Tap on chat. When you go to chat, the next thing that you're going to do is to back up your data, okay? Back up your data from there. Then the next thing you're going to do is to delete WhatsApp from your phone. Delete WhatsApp from your phone. So at this instant, give us a like and let's continue from there. So after you've deleted your WhatsApp, then install it from Play Store or Apple Store again. So after the installation, WhatsApp will ask you to log in to your WhatsApp again. So after logging in, they will ask of the code again. You just input your code and do the registration or log in again. But on the way to your logging in, most of the time they ask you to back up your data because they've gotten to know that you have some files or chats on your phone. So they'll ask you to back up, and then you can just back up and get all your chats back again. So doing that, backing up your chats will really help you not to lose any file or data. Okay. So after doing that, anyone who has logged on to your WhatsApp, everything will be changed, and then it will be on only your phone. Okay, so let's continue with the second one, and kindly give us a like. It's very important. Subscribe for more videos from us. Let's continue. And the other thing that they use to hack your WhatsApp account is using the link devices. Okay, so go to your WhatsApp, go to your settings, or just tap on the three dot at the top right corner for Android users, and then you will see link devices. Okay, so on your iPhone you can see it here, and then on your Android too you can see it. So just tap on link devices from there. So when you tap on link devices, they will give you this pop-up from there, and you can see there's nothing like Chrome or anything right here. So if you see anything right here, it means that someone is reading your chat, someone has logged on into your WhatsApp on another devices or computer or anything. I will explain the link devices to you, or just check in the comment section to see if there is a link there. Tap on it to watch, because maybe at that time I've made a video for you to understand what the link device is all about. So after that, you will be safe from here. So if you see nothing, it means that you are safe. But if you see something like a Chrome or something like that, just tap on it, and then you will see log out. Then tap on log out, and then you log out of all devices that you have linked your WhatsApp to. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos from here, and don't forget to also like the video or subscribe for more. Bye for now.